Model 2018 Ford Galaxy Zetec 2.0 Duratorq TDCi 150 PS None runner timing chain snapped. Body, grey, MPV. Mileage, 168498. MOT, the 24th of April 2025. Engine, 1997 cc 2.0 TDCi 150 PS. Transmission, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, none runner, the timing chain that links the cams has snapped. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is extremely clean and tidy. Rear seating area is extremely clean and tidy. Very well looked after car. First to see will definitely buy. Features, 3 former keepers, start-stop, 2 keys, parking sensors, air-con, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £6,650. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on